mark, see,
11 millimeter.
labial, labial,
In the middle?
L, yes, in the middle. See, the crown is here, near the root side. The root will be here. So near this, you will mark labial, L. Okay? Halas? Yes, you write here, labial, right? Halas, no problem. Don't mark it. Then, you understood this much?
Doctor, how tall is the block?
Okay, no problem. Yes, yes. Labial. Now, opposite to this labial, there will be palatal. So, mark P. Opposite to L. You mark P.
انه قدامه ورق قصده.
Okay. خلاص.
اوكي خلاص.
Labial, palatal. Labial, palatal. Then on one side mark M. M for mesial.
Doctor, did it take so long?
I will come. You sit there.
Where?
Okay, you read it. No problem.
I'm just curious. I just want to see.
Okay, خلاص. M. Then opposite to M, D for distal. D. So the labeling is labial, palatal, P, M, mesial, and distal. You can sit. I will come to you. Okay.
Doctor, can you repeat the letters?
See, labial,
Labia, yeah.
قدامها بي.
palatal,
Yeah.
mesial on one side,
Yeah.
and distal on the other side. Hellas? Okay.
اوكي.
Now you have to draw this shape on the labial side and on the palatal side. Okay. This shape, trapezoid shape. So for this you have to mark a midline.
Yeah.
Mark midline.
Randomly?
No, midline, perfect midline.
Yeah. After measuring.
Don't make it deep.
It must be equal to each other.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Mark midline on the labial side and on the palatal side. Don't make it deep. Palatal also is there.
So with that?
Plus, now this dimension, ideal dimension is 8.5. Okay, 8.5. But you have to take half millimeter or 1 millimeter extra. Now you take 4.5 on this side, 4.5 on this side. Okay. See, this will be the incisal edge.
4 millimeters?
4.5.
4
4.5.
millimeter.
No, 4.5.
4.5. ما
See,
ادري.
in the middle, or you take 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter on this side, 5 millimeter.
and half.
Yes, 4 millimeter and half. You take 5. You take 5. Huh? See, now this will be the future incisal ridge. This here will be the incisal ridge. Okay. So this dimension I have to take. So take 5 millimeter here, 5 millimeter here. Okay.
5 millimeter. نص سنتي هنا وسيبي
5 millimeter,
نص سنتي هنا وسيبي
5 millimeter.
From the middle line.
Yes, yes. From the midline, on the east side, on east side.
أيوة. هنا خدي هنا خدي.
Yes, you can take 4.5 or 5. if you are able to do it, perfect. She is not able.
اتوقع انها
So she is taking 5 millimeters.
Start measure from the midline.
Yes, from this side. 4.5, 4.5.
From the
Midline. Midline.
الا 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 صح صح صح
Hmm? See, this is the midline. Okay. So this distance here should be
4.5.
4.5,
4.5.
4.5.
And then
Okay.
we will do a mark.
Then here also this line, here 4, here 4.
4.5, that's 4.
Yes, here 4.5, 4.5, here 4, 4.
Okay. ما فهمت أخذ تحت أصل.
Understood this?
إلا كانت
This is
4.5
your
صارت
label
4.
side. See, this 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 4 millimeter. Understood? 4 millimeter, 4 millimeter. Yes. See, this much 4 millimeter, this much 4 millimeter. This you are taking 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter.
Okay.
وين الفايف؟
Hmm?
فوق فايف
You take, okay, you take 5. Okay, everyone take 5.
فايف فايف اوكي
خلص انجز.
Not getting it?
ورانا جروبات
I do it after.
Understood, but
Yeah.
okay. Now see, because here the dimension is less, here the dimension is more. Okay, so this is called as mesiodistal dimension at the cervix. Cervix means neck. Neck. This is called as the neck of the tooth. Neck.
Okay.
Okay, so here the dimension is less.
So the 4 milli
So
is
here will be the neck. Yes.
فهمت كيف يعمل مقلوب.
Understand? So
تحت تحت أربعة
this you will join. This dimension and this dimension you will join like this. Okay, so it will be the shape, trapezoid shape.
ايه بالمقلوب يعمل اللي فوق تحت تحت بالعكس.
يعني حيصير
الشكل هنا الشكل
See,
الهندسي بهنيك المسافة الكبيرة
see
اللي
here,
هو
see
عاملها فوق.
here. Shape.
فهمتي؟
Yes, yes, perfect.
لا لا اوكي.
Trapezoid shape.
شوفي إذا يمكن
ما
تحمي.
ينفع هذا الشمع
يا خلاص ما فيني أعمل ما فيني ألعب بشيء.
Hello? So you will do this on the palatal side also. Do it on the palatal side.
Okay. The same
Yes, same.
with 3 other sides.
Not on the 3 other side, only on the palatal side.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
سوي
Or
نفس
difficult?
الشيء.
Difficult?
على بي
No.
سويت علامة بي
البيت احنا بنسوي نفس الكلام. قلبي على البيت.
Because when you polish
Yes, yes.
it's bumpy,
You have to do it. With the practice, you will do it.
طب هو حيكمل بعدين نشتغل ولا كيف؟
In the exam, you have to do this in 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay?
Doctor, can you just explain and then we will do it? It's better, I think.
But you will do it here in the next practical. Don't do it at home.
Yeah.
Okay? Because I will see.
يعني اليوم
Because I want to see how you do it. Okay?
المرة الجاية doctor the submission day
Next to next week. Okay?
Next week. Okay.
Because I want to see how you do it.
yeah next week we come and we work on
Yes,
it
you.
in the lab
Yes, yes, in the lab.
So they're just watching.
So
They're
that will
just
be better.
watching.
اليوم بس اتفرج
Okay, so you will see now. You record it. I will do it now. Okay. So on this side also, same shape,
Same.
palatal side.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Then I have to remove this extra wax from this side. This is the extra wax. This I have to reduce. So it will become like this. You can pass it on. So I am doing this. See how I do this. This surface should be flat, okay? This surface.
طب ايه اساس اصلا
تحت هنا كده من اطراف
من فوق؟
Then other side.
yeah the same.
See how I am doing it. Don't do it. You can see now.
هلا بس شوفي.
This should be straight.
بس ليش عم يطلع مرتب؟ يمكن المنطق مرة واحدة.
See, both the surfaces are flat. Understood this much?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now,
لا بس جهتين عشان
understood? Now mark midline here, mesial and distal side. Mesial and distal side.
all the sides.
Only mesial and distal. Not on the label. Now, see on the mesial and distal side, the shape is like this. This is the labial side towards the front side. Okay. This is towards the palatal side. See the difference shape. This here it is straight, but here it is deep. Okay. So I will draw this shape here. So this is very important.
in the M will be P صح؟
Labial, palatal. See,
لا هو عم يشتغل على أي حرف. على الإم على الإم.
labial and palatal.
والله
الحين ايش هذا اي حرف؟
دكتور
See how I am
M.
doing it. On the mesial and M. See,
And M.
you can stand and see. خلاص. You have to practice on a paper. This first.
ما
Then
حيبان في الأصفر بدك هذا يعملها بالكحلة.
see, this dimension is also important. Okay, this dimension is 7.5.
Can I see?
7.5.
Yeah, okay.
You take 8 or 8.5.
Okay.
Can I see, doctor?
Okay.
Difficult?
Kind of.
So next time you will show every step to us. Okay?
Okay.
خلاص?
خلاص.
Now on this side also same.
P.
Distal side.
D. The same.
Yes, same. You have to do.
Same shape?
Yes, same shape.
بس كأنه عملها بالعكس.
ايوه بالعكس.
But it's opposite, right?
Yes, opposite side. خلاص؟
ما بيقرب.
ها؟
والله.
Can I see, doctor?
يعني هلا بنت. بس بعطيني إياها بعد.
So today I will show you only the crown. Next time I will show you the root because the batches are more.
هذا عشان نحط هذا أي سايد.
Root is very simple.
هذا الام. طب جيب الطرف الثاني. هذا البي صح؟ هذا الدي. دي اوكي. ام ودي.
خلاص؟
خلاص؟
No, I have to do now. Now see, I have to remove this extra wax. This is extra. On this side also, this much is extra. So again, mark a midline between mesial and distal. Between mesial and distal. So I am removing this extra wax. See this side also.
The yellow one?
Okay, this surface should be straight, flat. Hmm? Okay, in your hand. Where is it? So it will become like this. On this label side it is this, then lingual side like this.
وش ما بعرف هذا أي سايد أصلا؟ الجو مش اللي جوا البي ام دي ما عليه معاني.
Yes, you ask.
هذا اللي من ورا.
Don't discuss. You ask.
هذا اللي جوا.
Yes, question. This I have removed. See, now I have to remove this part. What I will do? Only remove. Hold like this. Remove like this. Extra wax. See here. Extra wax. I will show you again. I will show you again.
How much can we remove that?
Till the line. See this line you have to completely see.
هي عايزة هذا الخط يقول لك.
You
رسمتي رسمتي هذا الرسمة هذه
8 ولا 25
على اساس بكره اليوم ساعة واحدة طلع ساعة
see, please discuss with me. What happened?
انا هشوف اليوم اذا في الميجر اوف ذس
This is 7.5. You take 8 millimeter. 8.
ايش ولا 8
This much. خلاص? Then I have to remove this much. This extra wax. This extra wax. Okay. See, you stand. Yeah, you don't see that properly. So I have to remove this wax. So I'm removing this.
هو ده ما شاء الله يده واخدين شغل.
It should be deep. Can you see?
بس أتوقع يمشي معانا.
اليوم؟ شوف
Okay. Now you have to make. Now this is not 10.5. You have to make it 10.5. Okay. You have to. How you will reduce from this side? You have to reduce. Bring it to 10.5. 10.5. Ideal dimension is 10.5. On the board I have written. Okay. You can see that.
يترسل لو كان كبير
إذا ما هذا بالإيميل ينفع. هسه حبيبي عند الوقت ما قدر.
Okay. Okay, now what I am doing is, see this prominence is near the cervical line. This is cervical line. Okay, this line, cervical line. Okay, so this prominence is near this part. Okay, this is not here. So prominence, see this prominence. Prominence, you understand? Bulge.
It's upside down.
It is lower. Yes. It is toward this.
do it like this side.
Yes, yes. Like this shape I am doing. Understand?
من زمان.
See, every crown is divided into three parts. See, this is the incisor. Okay, this is the crown. The part which is near the incisor ridge is called as incisor third. The part which is near the cervical line is called as cervical third, and in between is the middle third. Incisor third, middle third, cervical third. Now this bulge is in the cervical third, cervical area. Okay, should I write this bulge cervical third, this bulge middle third? It is not bulge, area, and this is incisor.
هذا نفسه صار
Cervical third, it is division. Okay, so see this bulge, it is in the cervical third. Cervical. Cervical, near the cervical line.
Here, yeah.
Yes, yes. So that you have to remember. Khalas? Now you will reduce this dimension to 10.5.
10.5.
Yes, yes.
To the here.
Okay. Khalas? So this much should be 10.5.
Okay.
And this, see, this is very thick. It is not that much thick. So how will you reduce? Like this, you will reduce the thickness.
Sharp?
No, it should not be sharp.
Okay.
If it is sharp, it will break. Okay, this is how you will reduce. See? Understood? See, this much thickness.
خليك تحت.
Incisal. This is called as incisal ridge.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, tired. Make it round. This part should be round. You want to take rest?
Only 3 minutes.
Okay, just I am making it smooth. Okay, one more thing is when you look from the label side, this is the label side. When I am looking at from the label side, I should see only the lines. I should see only this line. Okay, I should not see this surface. Okay, but when you look from the lingual side, you should see the surface.
And what about the lines?
Okay, that line you can see. If you can see the surface, you can see lines.
Okay.
Okay, understood? That means this dimension on the lingual side is less. This dimension on the lingual side or palatal side is less. Lingual or palatal? Okay.
It's less than 8.
Label side.
Less than 8.
Yes, 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 yes.
So it's like you're taking the
Yes.
wax off the apple.
Yes, yes. So see how I am doing it. I am holding carver like this, so the dimension will be less. I am reducing like this, diagonally. This also like this, so the dimension will be less. Okay. Now this much you are going to do. I will show you the root also. There, see, the root, the dimension is 13 millimeter. You should take.
13
लेने का है. अच्छा, देख इधर ही है. Where is the attendance sheet? यहाँ पे. See, the dimension is 13 millimeter. Okay. 13. Take 13 millimeter on all the sides. خلاص. Then from all the corners you will reduce. Okay.
عن جد هو بس على ينحت.
على أي أساس يشدها كله؟ شيل الجوانب وهو قاعد لين نوصل للسن.
شو بنعمل؟
لازم نتلاقى.
Okay.
بس الدنيا.
Are you getting? From all the sides I am reducing the wax.
How much?
You have to do it from all the sides. You can mark like this.
يعني أنا بيمكن أشيلها فوق.
So this will be in the center, the tip. This tip is called as apex. This tip is called as apex root. So from all the sides you have to do and give the shape. This I will tell you in the next. You do it in the next practical, or you start doing now.
Can I see?
Next batch.